Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm pretty excited to do the unboxings of the Weebill 3 combo, the combo set. Okay, so this is the combo set. Yeah, so as you can see, the box is quite wider than the normal one. So the normal one is like a square, something like that. But this one is wider because inside this box there's a bag that you can use to put your gimbal in as well as your camera. So you don't need to carry along your camera bag with you. Just make use of this one. So now let me just open the box very quickly so that you guys can see. Actually, I opened this box already. I purchased this gimbal for about 2 weeks ago, but I just have time, to do this video to show you guys what's inside this box as well. Just have time to do it, and it's also because I was busy, practicing using the gimbal so that I can show you my trick and my tip later on regarding the use of the gimbal. Okay, so that's the box and this is the bag. You can see. So this is the bag. Yeah, beautiful bag. It's really nice. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this is the gimbal itself, and because this is the combo set, so it comes with this handle as well as the what's that, wrist rest, maybe, yes, where you can rest. Okay, you can put your wrist like this, okay, when you hold the gimbal. So I will just change my camera angle a little bit so that I can show you exactly from the top. Okay guys, so this is all from the top. As you can see, this is the gimbal. This is the, you can say, armrest or wrist rest. So over here, yeah, you can rest, yeah, your arm or your wrist like this. Yes, and then it's easy, with this one as well. This one you can, yeah, make it extend. You can extend this one, the handle. You can also adjust the handle. You can adjust the handle where you want it. Yeah, over here. It's really nice, convenient. Okay, so let's put this one aside. And there's another part of this bag. You can see over here. So over here, you have the zip. Unzip it. Yep. Okay, let me put this one aside. And inside you have more of these, yes. So what I like about this gimbal is this one. This is the quick release plate. Yeah, you can use this one. You can mount your camera with this one and attach this one on the top of your gimbal. I mean the plate, yeah, the plate of the gimbal over here. So you put it here. So your camera is on here, right? Not on this one. So you can release this one here because you can just take off your camera from this one easily when you want to take captures or take photos or any moment you don't want to miss. Yeah, this one I take it out because this is the Type-C to Type-C that I need to use it to connect the gimbal to the camera. And this one you can use this one, you can mount this one with your gimbal to support the lens when you use a bigger lens. Yeah, inside this one you have a lot of USB connectors. Type-C to micro USB, you have Type-C to mini USB, you have Type-C to Type-C, you have Type-C cable to Type-A, you have Type-C to multi-USB, you have the audio connector, and plus the gel. Okay, and you have extra screw in case you lose this one. This is the gel. We will talk about gel later. Yeah, so you've got all of these cables. You can use this one. This is the audio jack cable. This one is mainly used to connect your camera with this gimbal. You can see this, the mic port here, because this gimbal is built in with the microphone. This is the gel. We've got 4 different colors. See, it's magnetic. One is blue. You can just put it on the top of this light. So this gimbal has the built-in LED light that you can use to support video recording, especially in low light. This one is the manual. You can read it, it's up to you. Okay, so now I just want to introduce you guys a little bit what is new in this gimbal. So the first thing that I really like about this gimbal is here. This one. It's fantastic. If you're new to gimbal, you don't know how useful it is. But if you are an experienced or you have used the gimbal before, you're gonna love this one as much as I do. Because the gimbal, all you have to do is to make sure that you attach your camera on the top of the quick release, and then you have to screw it. So this one is used to screw, to tighten, you know, the screw with the camera. So without this one, you have to make sure that you carry along your screwdriver. If not, you have to make sure you have any metal that you can use to screw it or unscrew it. And this one comes with this gimbal, and here is the place that you can put it back. It's magnetic, as you can see. So if you want to use it, it's just like this. Put it back, just like that. It's amazing. That is why, you know, I was waiting to purchase this gimbal. That is because of this. Yeah, one of the reasons. The second reason is because of this handle. It's really handy, you know. It helps me to balance my gimbal, and also the rest here. I mean the wrist rest here. You see? So with the handle over here, I can push it. And the power that I use on my right hand side is that I will just put the energy or more power somewhere here, right? Without the wrist here, you know, it's okay, but the thing is that I'm gonna use a lot of power, you know, to raise the gimbal, raise the camera upward like this, or tilt it like this. So with this one, it supports my wrist so that I can put much energy somewhere here, and it supports my hand. And then with this handle, I can just do like this very easily. That is why I love this one so much. Yeah, this is the LED light that I mentioned earlier. If you want to turn the light on, you have to press this one. Press and hold it. Now the light is on. And you can use the gel here. You can see this is the blue color. Yeah, this is red. You can also decrease and increase the brightness of this LED. Is the wheel here? Yes. You can also change, because this LED light is built with bicolor. So you can change it. You see? This is the brightness. And this is the color. This is 5400 Kelvin. Yeah, this one, 5400 Kelvin. Now let me change back to 2600 Kelvin. And this gimbal, as you can see, you have the joystick over here. This is the joystick, so I can rest my hand like this and my wrist like this. And then I can extend my thumb over here to use the joystick. So the joystick is on the left side. So I'm not quite sure if this one is designed for the left-handed person, because it's gonna be so difficult for those who are left-handed. And there's another switch button here. This is the button as well. So you press 2 times in order to change the mode of the gimbal. You press 1 in order to reset the axis, so it will just go back to the normal axis. And this one, there's another wheel. So with this one, you can customize it to be whatever you want. You want to tilt it to the left, to the right, upward or backward. It's up to you. You can adjust it in the gimbal setting. This is the menu button. It's over here, and this is for light, the LED light adjustments button over here. The wheel, and you can press it whatever you want. This is the power on and off button over here. Just in case you don't see it, there's somewhere here. So you press this one to turn on and to turn off. You can also adjust this one, the rest here, or you can take it out. If you purchase the normal set, these 2 are not included, and also the back is not included in the box. So you can adjust this one, and you can take this one out completely. You can also download the ZHIYUN Play. This app allows you to connect your smartphone with your gimbal, and inside the app you can actually adjust a lot of settings as well. You can adjust the setting right from your smartphone or your gimbal. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this gimbal, just let me know in the comment down below. I hope to make another video reviewing, in-depth review on this gimbal and how each feature is used actually. But honestly speaking, I am also now in the process of getting to know this gimbal better as well, so that I can make more tutorials for you guys as well. But at the same time, if you have any suggestions or tips in using this gimbal, just let me know in the comment down below as well, because I really love to hear more from you as well. Okay guys, so I hope to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, okay, because more tutorials are waiting for you. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.